Welcome to the third episode of Learn English with Funny Situations. This is one of the best ways to learn and improve your English while having fun and without getting bored. So today I have 4 situations for you. This will help you express yourself and learn situational English. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here is the first situation. Just pause the video and describe the entire action in the video. A man is walking on the road carrying a bicycle with a pot of vegetables. Suddenly another man comes and takes the pot of vegetables from the bicycle and gives it to a third man. The first man is confused and quickly goes to the second man and asks, "Where is my pot of vegetables?" The second man acts like he does not know anything. At the end, a fourth man enters the scene and takes the bicycle away. Just pause the video and describe the entire action you watch. So here is the second situation. Just pause the video and describe the entire environment in the video. A group of people are playing cricket on a muddy and sloped ground. The players are standing on different sides of the slope. When the batsman hits the ball, the fielders run after the ball. After hitting the ball, the batsman and his partner run between the wickets to take a run. Their running style is different. One runs normally while the other slides straight down from the top of the slope to the bottom. Everyone is enjoying the game, even though the ground is not flat or dry. Just pause the video and describe the entire environment in the video. So here is the third situation. No. A few people are enjoying a football match. While watching, one man suddenly slaps another man from behind. The second man gets angry and pulls a third man back. However, the third man is holding the clothes of a fourth man. Because of this, the fourth man's clothes get ripped. That's why the fourth man starts beating the third man. Everything turns into chaos. Just pause the video and describe everything you watch. So here is the fourth situation that is optional. You can describe each situation or you can describe your favorite one in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and learn a lot. If you find this video fruitful, don't forget to like, share and comment. And I always bring great lessons to help you improve your English. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to follow. See you in the next video.